Kenya is one of the countries in the Horn of Africa region that has been hit hard by the worst drought in decades. Education and learning have been interrupted as low school turnout has been reported in various counties across the country in drought-stricken areas. The Kenyan government has carried out feeding programs in arid and semi-arid areas to keep the children in school.
This is ABC Boarding, one of the schools benefiting from the county's feeding program. It is located in Kajiado, one of the counties that has been hard hit by this drought that has been considered and reported as the worst ever in the last 4 decades. Most of the children that you can see here behind me do not have anything to eat at home, and they are encouraged to attend school through the feeding program. However, now, as the situation gets worse, even some of the parents that is not likely or really uncommon in this culture have been coming to school to seek food assistance.
Watoto wangu ni 10 na sasa hiyo siku ya kiangazi imefika hapa. Sisi watu wote wamehangaika sana kwa sababu ya kiangazi. Hata sababu saa ingine hiyo watoto kama akikuja shuleni hakuna nguvu, na sisi nyumbani hakuna nguvu. Wase hapa wameharibu kiangazi sana. Lakini nashukuru Mungu kwa sababu amekuja maambia mwalimu. Saa hiyo maana matokeo nini? Na sisi anaomba mwalimu kwa sababu kiangazi umeleta shida. Watu wote hapa ya mkuu wote Kajiado watu ni shida sana.
This persistent drought has had negative impact on the livelihood and welfare for the residents of Kajiado. Most households in this county are vulnerable and prone to persistent starvation. Most homesteads in this county are hardly having 2 meals in a day. This drought has impacted negatively on our Maasai community in Kajiado County. As I said earlier on, most people have lost their animals occasioned by this persistent drought.
According to the United Nations Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs, up to 5 million citizens are facing starvation in the East African country.